Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by opening the integrated terminal so you can run commands directly in your workspace. Use Ctrl+ or Open View then Terminal. This saves switching windows. Make sure your VSCode is updated and pick a shell in the terminal drop-down, PowerShell, Bash, or ZSH, because the shell defines available commands and environment behavior. Once the terminal is visible, you can run ls or dir to verify. This confirms the terminal is connected to your project folder. Now you'll execute commands and automate workflows from inside VSCode. Change to your project directory with cd, then run npm install Python script, py, or git status. This keeps file paths consistent. To automate, create a tasks. JSON via terminal run tasks so builds and tests run with one keystroke. Split terminals when running server and client concurrently, and name each session for clarity. This prevents confusion and speeds debugging. Finish by configuring defaults and knowing a key troubleshooting step so you don't get stuck. Set the default shell in settings under Terminal Integrated Shell to ensure the same behavior each session. Use env or terminal integrated env * to inject environment variables for builds and tests. If a command fails, check path, file permissions, and whether your workspace folder is open in VSCode. Permissions or wrong path are the most common causes, so verify those first and retry the command.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.